Hello. We are going to make a upside down pizza casserole today. So to begin, you take your 13 by 9 pan, set your oven at 375. You can do toppings of your choice. We are doing broccoli, turkey pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and our spaghetti sauce. So you take your pan, spray it with your cooking spray, and dump in your sauce. Spread that around a little bit. And add your toppings of your choice. And some broccoli. And then you put in your cheese. However much you want, 1 to 2 cups generally. And then you use the refrigerated pizza crust. So then you roll out your pizza top and put on there and just take it to the oven. 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. And we will show you the finished product soon. All right, folks, so now we have the finished product of the upside down pizza. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day.